Alright guys, this is a new fan I got today. This is a 52-inch Hampton Bay Llama 3 Plus. I've been wanting this type of fan for a while now. So yeah, I'm going to tell you the story about how I used to have one when I was 13 or 12 years old, when I was younger. Here's the light. I added these light bulbs down here because I thought they would be a little bit nicer than regular light bulbs. Here is low. So, the reason I got this fan from OfferUp is because, well, my uncle picked it up for me. So, when I was 12 or 13 years old, I used to have this exact fan in my collection. But all of a sudden, it got broken and now it's trash. But luckily, I found another one OfferUp a few years ago, which is a few years later, which is today. So yeah, I'm pretty happy I found a Llama Plus. And yeah, this is the 52-inch model. The 42-inch model, the 42-inch Llama Pluses, I don't really care about those. I mean, even though they're a little bit cute and small, they're just a little bit buzzy. But the good thing, this one's not buzzy. I can normally get it. The light bulbs and globe, those are not original to the fan. When I got this fan, it didn't come with globes or light bulbs at all, so I just added the globe, like these red frosted globes I have here. I kind of like the look of it. Here's medium. So, when I first tested it, I thought high didn't work, but all of a sudden, I tried reverse and high worked on reverse, so. And then I went lower on the chain, and now high works, so. Pretty good anywhere on medium. Turn the light off. Yeah. Medium. Pick two. Yeah. High. Very good airflow. Yeah, it came as a down rod, and here it is. Came with a down rod. Came with that, and it also came with the coupling cover, which I removed this because I was flux mounting the fan. This way I don't have to use any of the housing such as this. So that is why I flux mounted it. The light. Let's do spin now. And then I'm gonna do reverse. Yeah. So yeah, and I also like some cooler Hampton Bays, such as the Quick Connect and the Hampton Bay Clinton. Yeah, but unfortunately, you know, I used to have a Quick Connect in my collection when I was younger, but then that one got thrown out or something, I don't know. I mean, I don't remember what happened to the crook neck, but I got the crook neck when it came out my physical therapy plate that had the two landmark, or the landmarks that had the G bent down cane blaze. This fan has oak to loafer blaze on it. It's a guy's, yeah. They're pretty good shape. Pretty good shape. Do a bush. I'm gonna leave the lamp probably the whole time. Low. Reverse. Looks like it causes a little bit too much glare on the camera. I want to turn it off. Hi there. Hey. Be quiet, I'm making a video. You know, I can feel a little bit of air from underneath the fan because, I mean, it's down reverse and I feel a little bit of air coming from it. I mean, it's not too bad. I'm guessing the capacity of on this fan. Here's medium. Just changing it. There we go. Here's high. They have blowing some air back here. I could feel it a little bit from back here, but I mean, if Manuel was doing testing rig, and if it was on reverse, I would probably feel it from all the way right here. I'm turning the lights off so I can. Amazing, isn't it? I love it. So yeah, that's the video. Thanks for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe.